Hi, this is Nancy Lee with Great Links USA, and look what we're doing. This is amazing. So Gerilyn, please tell us what's going on.
Okay, hi, I'm Gerilyn. So I'm painting these hair extensions kind of in a watercolor kind of a tone, real soft blend, but a little bit of a color blocking in the same sense. So
Now, I noticed that you started on dry hair. Can you tell us why?
I like this particular color line on dry hair because it definitely adheres better to the hair if there's no water on there to bounce it back off. So I don't even mist it down. I like it just on real dry hair.
So it looks like you've already applied like a darker blue here, and then sort of a middle tone here, and a beautiful pastel here. And in a minute, I want you to show me how you're going to blend these together.
Yes.
But you know how this gorgeous coral tone. So I'm assisting, so we're going to bring this on down here. Sometimes this is a two-person job. So tell us what you're doing.
I like to just blow with the brush and like push it onto the hair. And then that ensures that I get a really good saturation. I will have to flip it over
Yes,
and color the other side.
that is a good tone. That way you get the saturation all the way through the hair,
Yes.
correct? Yes, I agree.
And
Great.
I like to go kind of like side to side a little bit.
Okay.
It's easier on the ends to go side to side because obviously I'm not disturbing, but when I'm up here, it's, you're assisting, so you were holding it so that it didn't move too much.
Right. I've even sometimes taped mine down. Have you ever tried that before?
No,
like with
but
a little
that's
bit
great
of
advice.
Yeah, I use a little bit of painter's tape, and sometimes that helps. And then obviously
perfect.
down here you have to pull it off when you get down to the
Yeah.
ends. So, but yeah, this is amazing. I love the colors.
This is the Pantone color of the year here.
Yay! We like Pantone colors. So then I'm interested in how you decide which direction you're going to use your brush to actually blend this beautiful coral color to the lilac color above it.
So I will take it clear
Okay.
and just kind of dab it in the middle.
Okay.
And then I can kind of use my finger. And it
And
kind
get
of
that
gives me a
blend.
softer transition. And then I'll go back because now the hair's not dry, right?
Right.
So then I can go back and kind of blend that line.
Right. And get it really soft and
Yes.
soften that up a little bit.
And it's really about layering. You can't really rush this. You have to just keep working and working and working.
Right. Until you get the color saturation
Yeah,
correct.
because right there, that's a little hard line. We want to
Yeah.
make sure we
Kind of paint that out. Right.
and just blend.
Beautiful.
But that's why I like to use the clear in these transitions because
It gives you kind of like a slip, doesn't it? A little
Exactly,
bit.
yeah.
That's really nice.
I'm kind of OCD, so like I can't see anything.
Yeah.
Not done until I can't see anything.
until you want it, until you get the actual movement that you like on the color.
Yes,
Yeah,
there
I
we
love
go.
it.
I like that watercolor kind of a vibe.
Obviously, this should probably be done, like if you were to do this for a client or something, you'd do it a day or two ahead of time, obviously.
Yeah, because you need to
Just
make
so you
sure
have the
they're
time,
dry.
so you have the time to do it. Right.
And then
We have some down here done also. Ooh, look at this color combination. Look at this beautiful color combination she's got going. These are going to be gorgeous next to each other. So in a minute, we're actually going to flip these over. We're going to put another card on top of it so we don't disturb the shifting in this. If we lifted this off and put it back down again, you could get transition of like this color here or vice versa. So what we'll do is we'll put another card on top of it, piece of foil, plastic, flip it over, and then peel that off, and we can work on the other side just to make sure that you keep your color blocking where you want it in exactly the same place. So, and then she's doing the same technique right up here again. See how we do the clear? Rub it in with your fingers so you get it enmeshed into the hair. And then she's going to take her brush and go back and forth.
And
How do you choose between using the blue or the purple on this one? Which one do you want to use?
well, the purple's not going to do much. The
Right,
lilac,
'cause
so I'm
it's so
gonna
light.
bring a blue down.
Okay.
But
Okay.
almost like a dry brush.
Okay.
Not really like so much color.
Right. Right. So that way you get that soft transition.
And sometimes I don't mind if there's a little bit of negative space there because that's the look I'm going for.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, I think sometimes I've found too with doing this kind of work, occasionally you'll get happy accidents.
Yeah.
like where things come out that maybe you didn't intend in the first place, but when you end up
doing
get it
that from now
done,
on.
yeah, exactly, right. Oh wow, that turned out really cool. So, well, thank you so much, Gerilyn. Tell us, how do we find you on Instagram?
My handle is Gerilyn Ghaisarzadeh, and I'm just a hair painter. I love painting hair, so come check me out.
And I'm Nanci Lee, Nancilee Hair. And thank you so much for all the tips today. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Nanci.
Okay, bye.